Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations, back today with another video. Today I have a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I got this at Michael's, and I'm going to be doing a swipe technique with half and half different colors. So the one base paint that I'm going to be using is black, and I mixed the black with our Artist Loft silver to get this color. I also added just a touch of metallic white to it, so it's just like a kind of like a Payne's gray, kind of black metallic, let's say that. And then the other half will be white. Colors I'm going to use today are Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash, some metallic iridescent medium mixed with violet, and this was a AC Moore paint violet. And then I have this, I don't even know, I did not mark what color this is, so I'm really not sure what it is, but it's kind of like a green grayish color, sea foamy. And then I have a Liquitex bronze, and I'll probably add a little of the 24 karat gold to it as well. All right, so we're just gonna get started here. I'm gonna put black down and some white down, and all right, so I have my base paints down, and I'm just going to torch it real quick. Got some black in there. Okay, and I'm gonna start swiping, and I'll be swiping with my mixture of Floetrol and titanium white paint. But let's put some colors down. I'm gonna do a little different today. I have something, where is it? Something new that I want to try to swipe with, if I can get it. Maybe not. I'll just swipe with this. It's my new knife. See? It's a little bit more tapered. We'll see. So, how am I going to do it? I really like this. I think it came out really, really pretty. I did use today the Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam paint. And what I find is that you get the smaller lacing with the Australian. I'll just show you real quick. I have this piece that I did. This is resin on it, but you see how big there is the tiny lacing in it, but you get the bigger cells with the American Floetrol. But I think for this piece, this is great. Really like it. I like the colors. See something in my paint. And yeah, I like it. It's pretty. It could go this way, or it can go any way, really. I kind of like it that way. I think with a pretty frame around this will be gorgeous. Maybe I will resin it. Some beautiful, beautiful color shift going on in here. All right, so let me know what you think. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask. I usually get back pretty quickly. I'm just going to go around and make sure that I have all my sides covered. I think I do. And yeah, so have a great one. See you all real soon. Bye-bye.